Hey guys, happy Friday. Today is September 20th, 2024. The updates for HippoScribe are coming fast and furious. Yansen is working like crazy. Let me show you. He just added a voice dictation feature. I'll show you what I used to do and I'll show you what I'm using now. Now, this feature is brand new, so if there are any bugs in it, just kind of we'll work through it. I'm going to share my screen. And this is inside a training account from Patient Studio. If you take a look, this is a typical treatment. I'm going to click to add interventions. And let's say on this particular day, I do some exercise, some activity, and some manual therapy. I'm going to add those fields. Now, let's pretend that I used HippoScribe to go ahead and document the patient's subjective report, but now I want to document the activities and exercises that we did. I would click, let me see how we can do this. I'm going to click the dictation tool. It's right here. If you have the Chrome extension, you'll see the little hippo head and then the dictation tool. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to dictate some of the exercises. Standing upper body ergometer, 5 minutes. Seated hamstring stretch with terminal knee extension, 2 minutes, right and left. Seated unsupported UBE, 5 minutes. Standing calf stretch, 30 seconds, right and left. Seated hydraulic knee flexion extension, 2 sets of 20 repetitions, right and left. I can pause it, then I can resume it. So let's say I'm thinking for a couple minutes, okay, what other exercises that I do? Okay. Sit to stand, cable row, 3 times 6, 30 pounds. Okay, so a couple little things here. If you notice, times obviously wrote the word out. I need to say X. Pounds gave me the British pound, as in like currency. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that. I'm going to jump in here. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to paste it. Now I can obviously 6x 30 lbs. I can do it like that. I can set this up however I want. And then this would be 15 minutes. And let's say we got to do our manual therapy. So I click on the dictation again. Perform seated manual therapy with forward trunk flexion to lumbar spine, soft tissue mobilization to left quadratus lumborum and thoracolumbar fascia, X 15 minutes. Pause it. Now I can click insert and it throws it right into that box. Let's do one. Oh, so that was supposed to be manual therapy. I was in the wrong box. No big deal. I'll drop it there. Let's do therapeutic activity. Initiated therapeutic activity today to improve patients' functional limitations associated with independent sit to stand. Prior to therapy, patient reports unable to perform sit to stand without using hands to push up from surface. Today, patient was able to perform sit to stand from a 19-inch surface without use of upper extremity assist. Provided patient with education on center of gravity and forward lean, quote, nose over toes, quote, to improve sit to stand function at home. X 15 minutes. All right. And then I'll go ahead, put the cursor there, insert it. Like I said, this was 15 minutes. This was 15 minutes. And that's it. I mean, it's that simple. Now, the functionality It does the grammar for you. It puts the periods and the commas and the things like that. I noticed that if I'm so used to saying a sentence and then saying the word period afterward, you don't have to do that. You can just speak standard language and it will understand. Guys, I hope this, like so many of the other tools that are coming out, is helpful to you. And if you have more questions about it, just absolutely message me and I will record more demo videos for you.